Do you have an ointment?
Mom, why is your hand bandaged? What happened to you?
Arohi, why are you asking as if you don't know anything? This happened because of you.
Because of me? What are you saying? What did I do?
Arohi, I'm not upset about the fact that you tried to hurt me. I'm upset because you haven't even apologized. People sympathize for someone they don't even know, but I'm your family. You don't care for me. You could have apologized.
Apologized?
To die for love.
Gradually, she will believe every word that I will say, because she will not be able to trust herself.
I don't think there is anyone as clever as you are. Arohi was on a different track. It's good that you brought her to where she's supposed to be.
I will handle Arohi. So you have any news on Sushant?
The news is major.
We have been told that a criminal has escaped from the prison. He was accused of a murder. The cops are not ready to give more information. Sushant Raichand's photographs have been put up in every police station.
The news is really great. By running from the prison, he has proved that he's the murderer.
He is foolish. He didn't even think once before reading the letter that he can be trapped. He has invited trouble on himself.
Now Lakshya's left. We were saved today. Before he could confirm about that bracelet, he left from there. But we have to be alert in the future. Arohi and Lakshya should not meet until she forgets everything. Lakshya will not stay silent. He has said that he will return.
Sir, did this Sushant run and reach Nepal? We just can't find him. Is Deep Raichand involved in helping Sushant run away?
Yes, sir, that is possible. Sir,
I feel the same. But I'm just trying to understand, how will Deep benefit by helping Sushant with his escape? He was blaming him. And why would Deep help him escape? Is there another player behind this? When we went to the Raichand house to question their family, then Deep looked really worried. Even Arohi wanted to tell me something about the bracelet. That also was left incomplete. It was incomplete. Okay then, let's complete it. No. This is not the right time to call. Anyway, these conversations should happen after meeting in person.
Arohi? Do you have an ointment?
Mom, why is your hand bandaged? What happened to you?
Arohi, why are you asking as if you don't know anything? This happened because of you.
Because of me? What are you saying? What did I do?
Arohi, I'm not upset about the fact that you tried to hurt me. I'm upset because you haven't even apologized. People sympathize for someone they don't even know, but I'm your family. You don't care for me. You could have apologized.
Apologized? What has she done, Mom? Why would she apologize?
Apologize for spilling hot tea on my hands. She did that yesterday in the kitchen. Now she is behaving as if she doesn't remember.
What are you
you
even
saying?
saying?
Arohi, did you drop tea on her hand? Why did you do this?
No, Deep, I did not do this. Mom, when did I do this? What are you saying? I'm sure there is some misunderstanding.
We both were in the kitchen and Dia asked you to make tea. Am I right, Arohi?
Yes, I remember that. And I had also gotten up to make tea. However, I don't remember anything after that. I don't know how I burnt your hand. I don't know.
While you were making tea, we had a discussion. Do you remember that? You were serving tea and I don't know what happened to you. You just stumbled and you spilled hot tea on my hand. My hand was badly burned. I started yelling, but you did not even look at me. You just ran away calling out to Deep. If you still don't believe me, then here's the proof.
I can't even believe this. That a girl like you, how can you do this to your mother-in-law? What's wrong with you? How can you change so soon, Arohi?
No, Mom, I am not lying. I can't recollect. However, if I have done all of that, then I'm sure I didn't do it on purpose. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. All I can remember is that I was preparing tea in the kitchen, and I don't remember what happened after that and who said what. I don't really remember. And I was in the room when I woke up.
Oh God, Arohi. What is wrong with you? Do you have a disease where you are forgetting things, Arohi?
Deep, why is all this happening to me? I am really scared, Deep.
You don't worry. I am sure that you are still not well. But no problem, you'll be alright if you rest for a couple of hours. Mom, please forgive Arohi. I'm sure that she did not do this on purpose.
I know that. Arohi is not someone who will do this. She's such a well-mannered and cultured girl, and she can never do this to anyone. What can she do when she's a little mentally shaken?
Mom, please let her rest for some time.
Come on.
Come here. You come with me. Arohi, please don't think about what Mom said. You are absolutely fine. Nothing has happened to you. If you sleep for a couple of hours, you'll feel fine after that.
Hello, Inspector.
So tell me, Arohi, are you coming to meet me or should I come there to meet you?
What do you mean? Why do you want to meet me?
Miss Arohi, you should ask this question to yourself. You wanted to tell me something that was left incomplete. Even I want to tell you something.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.